In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can share a link on your Instagram story without having to have 10,000 followers. So previously on Instagram, you had to have 10,000 followers in order to share a clickable link within your stories. Now, pretty much anyone can do it on Instagram. It's a great new feature that they added. And how you do that is you just want to create your Instagram story. So I'm just going to swipe to the right on my home screen, and I'll just take a quick story real quick. And then what you want to do is tap on the stickers icon, which is right over there. And now you'll notice a sticker that says link. This will allow you to put a clickable link on any one of your Instagram stories. Now, if you don't have that link sticker on your Instagram stories yet, what you want to do is update your Instagram app. So go out of the Instagram app real quick, go to the Play Store, and I'll just go back, and in the search bar, just search for Instagram and hit search, and then you'll make sure it says update, and if there is an update, then update to the latest version. And then you'll just need to go back into Instagram and see if the link sticker appears. If it does, great, then you can tap on it, and now you just need to enter in your URL. So I'll just put youtube.com and then just tap on done at the top right hand corner. And now you can see here's my youtube.com link. If people click on that from within my story, it's going to take them to that website, which is awesome. You can tap on it to change how it looks. And then once you're happy with that, how it looks, you can decorate your snap however you would like, add some text telling people to click the link and things of that nature. But that is the process of how you add a clickable link on your Instagram story without 10,000 followers. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.